Have you ever heard of the Candiru fish? Some people claim that this fish can enter a person's penis and swim up through the urethra. Candiru is a very small catfish that is found mainly in the Amazon River. It is about 1 inch long. It feeds on the blood of other animals, and it is often found in the gills of other fishes. People living in the region of the Amazon River often narrate stories of how the Candiru fish entered the penis of men who urinated in the river. They say that the Candiru is attracted by the smell of urine. Once inside the penis, the Candiru is said to be difficult to remove as it locks itself inside its victim. People say that sometimes the only way to remove the fish is to amputate the penis. There are also stories about the Candiru lodging itself in the virginal canals of native women. For this reason, the natives in the regions of the Amazon River often tell people, including tourists, not to urinate in the river and to make sure they protect their private parts when swimming in the river. Is it true that the Candiru is attracted to the smell of urine and that it swims up the urethra? Here is a summary of our review. This claim remains controversial, and we cannot categorically say whether all of these claims are false or true. The reason is that while there are some documented cases on the internet confirming these claims, they remain to be verified by independent scientific research. Until the 1990s, there were no documented reports of the Candiru fish entering the human urethra, which was verified by a scientist. However, a Brazilian urologist, Dr. Anwar Samad, claimed in a 1997 report to have surgically removed a 12-centimeter-long Candiru fish from the penis of a 23-year-old male patient. According to the doctor, the patient was urinating in a river when the fish jumped into his penis and penetrated up the urethra. Dr. Samad claimed that this confirmed that the story people tell about the Candiru fish is not a mere legend. However, some scientists cast doubt about the validity of this report. They point to the inconsistencies in what the doctor said and what the patient said. They also find faults in the patient's description of how the fish got into his urethra. A 2001 study published in the journal Environmental Biology of Fishes also concludes, based on experiments, that the Candiru fish are not attracted to urine. This further casts doubt on the claim that the Candiru fish is attracted to urine. The most recent documentation of the Candiru human encounter is a video published on a YouTube channel called River Monsters, which produces animal documentaries for the channel Animal Planet in the US. In the video, the biologist Jeremy Wade conducts an experiment to test whether a Candiru fish will swim into a man's penis. A native man was used in the video as bait. The man urinates in the river, and all of a sudden he feels something penetrating his penis. He tries to get hold of the Candiru fish, but only the tail of the fish remains outside. The man was then taken to a doctor for the fish to be removed. Interestingly, it was the same Dr. Anwar Samad from the 1997 report that was asked to remove the fish. The Candiru fish was removed through surgical procedures. However, this experiment has not been independently verified in a scientific study. In summary, while there are reports and some documented cases of the Candiru fish penetrating a person's penis and swimming up the urethra while they urinate in a river, it is yet to be scientifically proven that these claims are accurate. More evidence and experimentation will be needed to satisfactorily accept various claims about the Candiru fish.